Hi, it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and I'm here today to share actually several things from Fat Quarter Shop. I've recently finished up 2 quilts that are free patterns from Fat Quarter Shop, and I also have the July 2026 Sew Sampler box to share with you, along with one other product that I've actually had sitting here in my studio for a while, but just barely used last night. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to talk all about the Jolly Tree Farm Mystery Sew Along and the Haen Quilt Along to benefit the Make-A-Wish Foundation, and then again those few Fat Quarter Shop products that I've really been loving. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, first I'm going to talk about the Jolly Tree Farm Mystery Quilt Along. I actually saw this pattern quite a few months ago. Fat Quarter Shop sent it to me, and we were very happy that they used our Poinsettia and Pear fabrics for their summer quilt. They always do a fun summer Christmas themed wall hanging or project. And anyway, we were really honored that they used our fabric. And so I knew from the beginning that I was going to sew along. So if you read my blog, you've probably seen my kind of progress pictures and even the finished quilt. But I haven't shown it on a video yet, and just really had a lot of fun making this quilt. I did make a couple substitutions. I believe I changed up the fabric here from what they did, and maybe this one. Everything else I pretty much tried to follow their pattern exactly. My friend Vicki did just an all over kind of swirl in the blank spaces, and then she did some fun little designs in some of the trees. You can see she did little loops. But anyway, I really recommend this pattern. It is completely free, and there is also a free cross stitch pattern based on this design that Fat Quarter Shop has. And then one more thing is that they do have kits for this, and I highly recommend the kit. It's super cute. And one thing about this kit, kits usually don't include the backing. Their kit does. It might not be this backing, but it does include a backing and the binding and everything you need for the quilt top. So really excited about the Jolly Tree Farm Mystery Quilt Along. One quick thing, I added a hexagon flower to the top of my tree. That was not in the pattern. After I got it done, I just thought this would be a fun way to embellish my quilt. And these are I used hexagon papers with 3/4 inch sides. And I just took some scraps and made a little flower for the top of my tree. Okay, I'm also going to share with you, and this one, I'm not sure if I've shared it on the blog yet or not, but this is the 13th annual Fat Quarter Shop Charity Quilt Along quilt. This is the Haen quilt, and they shared the patterns for these blocks in 2 different releases. I believe the first release, you made these large jumbo half square triangle blocks, and then you made these blocks. And then the second pattern release had you making the block with the background star and the darker star. So the second release had you making these blocks and had the instructions for putting it all together. The original quilt that they shared is made with the Lello Boutique collection that just became available, the True Love collection. And so I had a lot of fun mixing it up and using our Midsummer collection. I don't always use just one darker background like this, and so it was a lot of fun for me to use this aqua based fabric with the blue circle dots. And yeah, I just love how this turned out. My friend Vicki got it quilted up for me, and I did the binding just last night. This is what I used for my backing. I am going to be donating this quilt to Fat Quarter Shop. They are going to do an auction with several of the quilts that have been made for this to benefit the Make-A-Wish charity. So I will be shipping this off in the mail to Fat Quarter Shop very soon. Now, I mentioned at the beginning of the video that we're going to talk about the Sew Sampler box for July and also another product from Fat Quarter Shop. I'm going to share that product first because I found out how well it works while binding this last night. This is the Kimberly's stitching light, and I believe it also comes in another color. This is the peony color, and I'm just going to show you the back of the box. Kimberly does a lot of cross stitch, and so she had this light designed so that she could wear it around her neck while she is doing her cross stitch. And there's a button here, and it has different lights. I really liked the first one. It was super bright. But what I used it for was, a lot of times I like to bind quilts if I'm watching television, and when it gets dark and the lighting's not that good in the room, sometimes, you know, if I'm doing it in the evening, I feel like I can't bind. Well, last night, for some reason, I just decided to try this light, and this was perfect for binding. The angle of the light just seemed to work perfectly so that I could have it shine while I was stitching. I didn't have to make any adjustments or anything. And so I am a new fan of the Kimberly stitching light and cannot believe that I've had it on my shelf and haven't tried it for such a long time. It says on the box, great for cross stitching, but I'm going to tell you it is wonderful for binding. Okay, let's jump in and talk about the July Sew Sampler box now. Okay, Summer Crush was the title. I did not guess this collection, I will tell you right off the get-go, but I was excited when I saw it because this is the Daisy Crush collection by Heather Bailey, and it is with Figo Fabrics. And I'm not sure of the background of Figo Fabrics. I probably need to do a little research, but Heather Bailey has designed for other fabric companies before, but I haven't seen a collection from her for a while. So this was really fun. Her designs are always bright and beautiful. I actually fell in love with a lot of her fabrics 10, 15 years ago, I feel like. Anyway, they're bright, they're happy, they're florals. These have got some great colors. And this is like a 10-inch square pack. So yeah, I love this one. And some of these are a little bit reminiscent of her earlier designs that she used to do a long time ago. So just really fun, bright, happy fabrics. Okay, also in the box, there's a lot of products in here. This is a 2-in-1 scissor lanyard by Karen K. Buckley. She's kind of known for her scissors and other quilting products. So great way to keep your scissors around your neck. You can slide the scissors right into that scissor holder and just clip this onto your shirt or whatever. There's a bottle of the acorn glue. A lot of people use this for piecing to get things lined up and perfectly ready to go. And I'm really happy to have a fun little bottle of it to try. This is just a cute little binding storage holder. You can just wrap your binding through there, and it is really very cute. Very fun design there. Then we have some jumbo wonder clips. I love these, especially for bag making. And I keep my jumbo wonder clips in a separate bag, so I'll be adding these to the mix. Always good to get those. And then the normal items, the description pamphlet. Always check the back of this because sometimes there are coupons that you can use. And there is a pattern that goes along with the Daisy Crush fabric. There is a pattern from the archives included. And then we also have block 4 of the Fat Quarter Shop Sew Along. So I will link any of these products that I can find in the description below, and also a la carte boxes might also still be available for this. Okay, so that's it for the Jolly Tree Farm Mystery Quilt and the Haven Quilt, July Sew Sampler, and Kimberly's Stitching Light, which is my new go-to product for when I'm binding quilts and trying to watch TV at the same time. We will have everything linked in the description below. If you enjoyed today's video, please share it with a friend, hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thanks so much for stopping by.